Hey, here we are, eighth video of freelancing. So in the previous video, we talked about the importance of creating a freelance marketplace profile, a central place where everything is presented, the services you offer, information about you in description, your portfolio, the work you've done in past. And I briefly spoke about the video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about why creating a video or a show reel for your profile is important. So all you need to do is you need to head to YouTube. And before you do that, of course, you need to create a video. By using canva.com, it's a free image creation and video creation tool. By going to Canva, you can create videos, you can appear in the videos, which actually has more points over a video that is just animated with text overs. So if you want to do business and you want to do business big time, I would highly recommend you appearing in a video and talking about who you are and what you offer. When a client sees you in person in a video, the physical representation actually adds a lot of value. After creating the video on Canva, you need to upload that video on your YouTube. So the silver lining here is you need to create your YouTube channel. More on that later, because I am going to discuss YouTube in detail in in the later part of this video series of freelancing, because I genuinely believe the best way of doing business is to educate people. By uploading that video on YouTube, you need to pick a link and then present that link on your profile, just like you see a video on my freelance marketplace profile on one of the world's largest freelance marketplace, guru.com. When client come onto your profile, they see everything about you, your description, your success, your portfolio, and then they actually get to see you in person in a video. This adds a lot of value. A profile is a decorated shop with all the products presented over the shelf. Pretty hard to refuse, right, for a customer.